Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. So today I'm here to share with you a new mini album. This is a layer album style that I created for my digital magazine, and somehow I forgot to include this on my fall series. So if you were part of the series, you probably know that I hosted a secret giveaway. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be announcing the winner to the giveaway. So this project here is another one that I created for my digital magazine. So you can find the magazine on my website. This fall magazine was full of quick and easy projects, and I'm just in love with each one of those, but this one is probably one of my favorites because it is a layer book that you can actually use as a wall hanger. So all I did was add these are like the stick and remove command tapes. So I put one on each side and I put them on the wall. They're actually still on the wall, so I'm not gonna use a new one. And as you can see, even after I took them out, you don't even see the marks. So these are actually pretty good, and I just love hanging these as a beautiful art display. And of course you can also add little pictures. So the step-by-step tutorial for these layer hearts is going to be on the magazine, but I will do a quick overview. So we have two size hearts that I actually just drew myself to create the template, and I layered them down obviously. And I have the smaller ones here on the front. So I have 4 of the large ones and 3 of the small ones, and basically you have 3 and 3, but then the base is another one of the larger ones. So all of these were kind of folded in half, so they're actually mini album pages, except for the base. This one was just the only one that's not folded, and it is actually double or triple cardstock, so it's really strong, and I am using double-sided paper for this as well. But let's go ahead and actually no, let me take that back. So I'm using cardstock, and then I added paper on both sides. So I layered 3 hearts on each one of these hearts here, just to make it really thick. Okay, so here on the front I am using this beautiful collection by Bo Bunny, which is the same one that I used for my fall fairy album, and also I use it as ephemera, just cutting some little pieces of the collection. And these are the hinges, as you can see. So you can put a picture here and here, and then you keep turning on the pages. And again, the hearts are layered, so they're not exactly lined up when you open the pages, but you can put a picture here and over there, and same thing for the larger. So I added this ephemera here so you can see all the different layers, but of course you can put a picture here and on the other side. And I even created some little fold outs, so if you wanted to really display more pictures, you can have that option as well. And it goes both ways, of course, like that, and then another place there. And then same thing on this side. These can go like that and like this. So super fun and easy to create. So again, here places for pictures. And so that is all one side. And then if we look at the other side, it's pretty much a mirror image. So I added some of the little pieces to collage and add some different elements. So here's a little opening booklet, places for pictures or journaling, and I just love the beautiful butterflies that you can see even here from the front. And then again, place for pictures. These are the little hinges. Same thing over here. So I have another one of these accordion folds on this side, and the little girl coming out here from the top. Just wanted to make sure I don't cover her. And then over here, more places for pictures, and that is the back here of the base. So I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough of this project. And again, if you would like to see the step-by-step picture tutorial, it will be on my magazine, and I will have it linked down below. And also I'm super excited and that I am already working on the next magazine, which is going to be, of course, Christmas edition. So excited for you guys to see that one coming up soon as well. And now let's go ahead and announce the winner of the secret giveaway on my fall series. So congratulations to my winner. Please remember to send me an email to claim your prize. And the prize for this giveaway is going to be $100 gift card to my website, so you can get anything that I offer in there, from mini albums, blank bases, or you can get any digital class, digital collection, or tutorial that you would like. So congratulations again, and thank you everyone who was part of the fall series, and I hope that you enjoyed this video walkthrough, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.